Them damn redbirds back there too. They back. This is what I got going on today though. Um, this is a 15 expedition. King Ranch. Big Daddy fully loaded. Shout out to my kid folk Chris. This was a job that he recommended, you know what I'm saying? He sent the customer over my way because he actually made this mess. This is a pretty nice truck. He scraped against something. Anyway, uh, thank you, Chris, I guess. But I know this lady. I actually grew up with, going to church with this lady. And so I'm not gonna make a mess of this. You actually gonna see me outsourcing this to somebody else. We gonna I'm actually learning about paintless dent repair. So after I go over there and watch him do his thing, take that little course, then I invest in the tools, and then I'm gonna expand my skills by doing that paintless dent, because that's not really major, and I don't wanna. I'm just trying to keep it simple, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's all I've been on for like the last couple of weeks, ever since I lost my baby. Just like keep it simple, G. You know. So this is what we're working on today. We're gonna see how this come out. Yeah, so I jumped it off with, running some tape on all my spots. Um, it's mainly like a buff job for me. So got me a new block, new soft block, and I went and got some 1,000, 1,500, and 2,500. But I'm glad I just started with the 2,500 because, like I said, I want to be uninvasive as possible and try to make this go smooth. Just trying to mask the damage a little bit so y'all will see me put it down, hopefully, with the buffing game as I just polish this joint on up, remove that dent, and send her on by the way. She said she got more work for me, so that's what's happening. But yeah, that's what's going on right now. Get ready for that buff. And y'all stay tuned. Yeah, so I got all my buffing done. Just like new. Got the scratches out, all the marks off of it. Down the side. So tomorrow is just off to the shop to get that dent removed without having to paint it. And like I said, your boy Gonna be taking notes, sitting there front and center. And I know how to do that myself, and I had the tools to do that myself. Splash. RP, boy. Fuck with me. Excuse me. RP, poo. One love. Alright, y'all. It's the next morning. We made it over here to Tony's place. Over here. They got some sweet things going on. He actually getting hair repair business. Tapped in with another business. So like I told y'all, I was gonna be watching him do his thing on this whole process. Tap his brain a little bit. See what I can learn.
There's a guy that he has a training course in Irving. I think his name is Legacy Dent.
Yeah.
Legacy Dent Repair. Legacy Dent Repair. He's located in Irving.
Yeah.
I think he has like training and all that. I think he's like the cheapest around in DFW.
As far as getting your training and getting some courses in?
Getting training, yeah. But for me, I had got I'm self-taught.
Oh, really?
Yeah.